Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best whiskey decanters on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Bormioli Rocco Whiskey Decanter Set. This decanter set from renowned glassware company Bormioli Rocco makes a beautiful starter collection for the amateur drinker and elegant addition to any home bar for the seasoned connoisseur. For less than a nice bottle of bourbon, you get a gorgeous diamond-cut decanter with a 33.75-ounce capacity and airtight lid to keep your booze fresher for longer. You also get 6 matching 9.5-ounce tumblers, each with a sturdy, heavy base. Made from fine sands and raw materials in Parma, Italy, this incredibly detailed and durable decanter set should last you through cheers for years to come. It's safe for use in the dishwasher, although hand washing is recommended to ensure a longer life. What do buyers say? 85% of 500+ Amazon reviewers rated this product 4 stars or above. Number 2. Our second best pick is LSA International Bar Spirits Decanter. If you want to fill a decanter and not worry about topping it off for a bit, this 60-ounce version from LSA International is big enough to hold 1.75 liters of whiskey, also known as a handle. Made from hand-blown glass with thick walls, it's not quite as heavy as crystal, which is good since the weight of the additional spirit will add to the heft when pouring a dram. The simple and crisp, handmade design standing 10.24 inches tall and roughly 5 inches wide will look great on any bar. Key features: handmade in mouth-blown glass by skilled artisans. Made out of good quality glass. Serve collection to make a distinctive coordinated tabletop and serveware setting. Designed to cater for every need. Designed for easy usage and storage. Number 3. Our third best pick is Waterford Crystal Lismore Diamond Decanter. An update to a classic from the venerable Irish maker, the Waterford Lismore Diamond Decanter is a beautiful piece that's perfect for whiskey. Cut from fine crystal, the diamond pattern sparkles will give your spirits color and added pop, but don't dare put it in the dishwasher. This one is hand wash only. At 6 inches in diameter and 11 inches tall, this decanter is a nice size, though it does clock in at over 6 pounds, so you'll want to have a steady grip when you pour a drink. Key features: 11-inch decanter. Diamond facet, cut details. Do not use it in a dishwasher or microwave. Contains lead. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Jonathan Adler Whiskey Rocket Decanter. When the cocktail hour can't start fast enough, it's time to hop on Rocket. The Jonathan Adler Rocket Decanter will bring a smile to even the most cynical whiskey drinker's face. This showpiece is crafted from white porcelain with the name of the spirit printed vertically down the fuselage and is adorned with 16-karat gold detailing. A 42.3-ounce capacity can handle more than a standard bottle, and a working gasket prevents the alcohol from evaporating into space. Key features: imported. Hand wash only. White porcelain with black, gold, and silver decal and 24-karat gold detailing. Embellished with bold suggestions of what to stash in each, even bottom shelf booze becomes out of this world. Hand wash only. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Baccarat Harmonie Round Whiskey Decanter. Baccarat is one of the finest makers of crystal on the planet. Synonymous with high-end luxury, the French maker produces a number of stunning decanters, but Harmonie stands out for the whiskey connoisseur. Vertical stripes give the vessel texture and depth, while a large stopper that, when paired with the decanter's mouth, takes on the look of a top hat. Altogether, the piece stands 12.6 inches tall and will hold a full 750 milliliter bottle of any whiskey you choose. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.